For clients with fine, thinning hair, use Shampoo Tonico and Tonico Ampoules. Shampoo Tonico will fortify your client's cuticle while moisturizing the hair and scalp. Massage Shampoo Tonico throughout your client's scalp and hair. It's important for your client to understand that massaging the scalp promotes hair growth. Apply Shampoo Tonico a second time. Thoroughly rinse Shampoo Tonico from your client's hair, removing as much moisture as possible. Finally, use Tonico Ampoule and massage it throughout your client's hair and scalp. Shampoo Tonico and Tonico Ampoules can be used every day. If your client needs extreme results, they could continue to use Tonico Ampoules up to 3 times in 1 week. For normal results, use Tonico Ampoules once a week. After thoroughly massaging Tonico Ampoule throughout your client's hair and scalp, style as desired.